this is how you can use the Samsung live translation during a live call. First, you have to open the apps, the phone app on your Samsung Galaxy phone, followed by you have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on settings. Now, all you have to do is look for the live translate. Now, this is the option where you can simply enable it. By default, it is not enabled, so you'll have to enable it. So tap on it, and now turn the live translate by simply toggling it or switch the enable button. And then if you scroll down, you will notice that there is two settings by the name of me and other person. Now, me is the part where you have to configure your own language, such as your native language. For instance, if it is English or if it's Korean or it is Spanish or any other language, you have to simply select that. So simply tap on language and now go ahead and download your native language. So for instance, if your language is not available there, so you have to just simply download it there on your system, on your Samsung S24 Ultra. In my case, it is English, so it is good to go. So, and now you can have a look here that you can also use a voice. So during the setting of the voice translation, you can set a specific voice for the translation person. So whenever you are talking to the next person on the other side of the phone, whatever you say is going to translate that and then send it to the other person using the voice that you select here. So there is basically two voices that you can select from. In case if you do not want it, you can just simply turn it off, or you can simply configure the speech rate. Now, if you scroll down again, you will notice that there is the other person language. Just go ahead, select that one too, and you are good to go. This is the simplest method that you can simply set up the language. However, once everything is good to go, you can see that you can mute both voices, voice of yours and voice of the person on the other side of the phone. Just mute them, and then instead you will hear the voice that you have selected, and he will also hear the voice that you have selected, and it's going to translate that. So Bixby is going to do that job of translation. So make sure that you have to mute both voices, because you will hear his voice and then your voice. That is going to be a problem. So this is the language person. And now when you make a phone call, you can see here there is a section called Call Assist. Simply tap on that, and now you can see there is an option called Live Translate. Just simply tap on it, and it is going to translate it, and you will see the transcription in your screen. So this is as simple as it can be if you are a tourist, and good to go. So please do keep in mind that currently it is only limited to specific languages. So I sure hope that the other languages should arrive with these soon enough. If it does not arrive, so we'll have to use other apps. So for now, have a nice day and goodbye.